welcome to my world. Welcome to my world, because you've chosen something that is very necessary and very needed, not only in the Philippines, but around the world. And you bring your energy, your expertise, your passions, everything that you have, you bring that to when you speak. And when you speak, you make a difference for you, but you make a difference for the people who hear you.
Good public speaking can help us to establish better relationships, because it is the best ingredient for healthy communication between two persons.
Being a certified public speaker is not only mere initials next to our names, but for me, it is a position where we should speak responsibly.
Because here in CPS, we speak the difference. We can change the world with CPS.
Let's speak the difference with our authentic ideas, languages, and experiences. Because I know, darating din ang araw, tayo naman ang magbigay ng inspirasyon at motivation sa iba.
I was able to discover two things. First, getting out of our comfort zone is worth doing every once in a while. Second, the experience helped me in the healing process that I am going through.
As certified public speakers, let our talks be the light for others, especially these challenging times. Kung nakakahawa po ang COVID-19, mas nakakahawa ang mga salita natin na sana'y magsilbing inspirasyon sa iba.
I meet Sir Lloyd and everyone. Thank you so much, Sir Lloyd, for putting your heart on teaching.
Talagang napakalaking bagay po para sa pagkatao natin na naging certified public speaker po tayo.
I realized the passion of doing it lead me to a deeper purpose. True enough.
Ngayon, mas pakiramdam ko, mas kaya ko nang tumayo.
I'm looking forward to applying what I learned here on my profession.
Huwag kang matakot na magsalita sa harap.
Thank you dahil nakita ko yung ano klase akong archetype.
Akala ko po dati is tama na yung ginagawa ko, pero hindi pa pala. Kaya salamat po sa bahay mo.
Now that you've learned some foundation, take it into the real world and practice on real live people and hone your skills, because they need what you bring to the table.
So congratulations, toast everyone. Yes, your glass, and then I'm going to screenshot.
Cheers.
Cheers.